What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. A long time I haven't been posted, but there is a couple of reasons for that, and those reason is very typical for the professional traders. You know which one is? I don't know if you did guess it or not, but if there is no setup, then it's no trade. It's very simple as that. Yeah, so basically that's what happens. In the last 2 weeks I was watching the charts, I was watching every single day, but guess what happened? It never represented itself as setup. So what do we have here? We was making some beautiful high highs and low highs, yeah, and then boom, with this news we took all these lows, yeah, and then bush, we took this high, yeah. So everybody knows how I do expect to trade, yeah. Here most likely people will gonna start seeing, like, very beautiful retracements, and people will start taking longs because they broke this structure. Me personally, I'm gonna take shorts and I'm gonna try to hit those lows. Yeah. I'm already in the trade. Let me just see. Yeah, you see, very simple. My stop loss is right here. I did risk like $250, so basically right now, yeah, we'll do right like that. Yeah, it's like more or less is like one-to-one risk to reward, yeah. But on this particular trade I'm gonna do something differently, yeah. I'm gonna start taking partial losses, if just in case the price action will gonna start moving against me, yeah. I don't wanna risk too much, so if just in case the price action will eventually hit my stop loss, is gonna be even lower, yeah. But for now, where I want something like that is gonna be, I'm gonna take three. So basically I'm gonna take 50% off, then another 50% off from what's left, and obviously I'm gonna leave. If everything goes to my stop loss, then we will see. On this particular trade I risk like around $250. We will see, because if it hits the TP I'm gonna make like around $250. If it hits my stop loss I'm gonna make like less than that. I'm gonna lose, sorry, less than that, like around, I don't know, like 200, maybe 180, something like that. I'm not sure. We will see. We will see how everything was gonna end up. But for now, guys, feel free to like and watch this video to the end, because it's an interesting one. You know, this is a live trading session, so that's what people loves. That's what people loves. And right now we are running a profit, which is very beautiful. I do really like, and I do hope that we're just gonna start moving crazy down and hit our TP. So if you're gonna check my previous video, guys, you could see very beautifully we've been running pretty decent. Here we have some losses also, and how you could see my last trade, you can check like basically my last video, yeah. The trade has been taken on the 30th of October, so when I took those two trades, so I did had like 5 days in a row, I did had like TP hit, so it's beautiful. But for now, guys, the only thing what I'm gonna expect is just to move on and try to recover all the loss that I had before. So we will see. The price action kind of starts get like pushing crazy. Like, I think there is no news, because I did not check for the news, to be honest. I was working, and I just opened the trade when I saw the opportunity, because I was expecting to start to do first my analysis and to do as usual, like as on my previous videos. But to be honest, it happens this way that I forgot about this and I was working, and then when I checked the charts I've been seeing like the price action already rejecting the zone, and I'm like, oh my gosh, man, let me just open the trade. So I did open the trade, and then I start doing like the analysis, and you could watch it right now. But yeah, guys, I don't want to take your time too much. Stay tuned, and I'm gonna keep you posted like with the results. Either it's gonna hit my stop loss, either it's gonna be my TP, one of those. Because anyway, trading is 50-50, so that's what we could do. We could just open the trade, play safe, you know. Risk is under our control, so I do hope we're gonna hit the TP and we're gonna keep winning, you know, because I don't like losing, but obviously nobody likes losing. But that's the, how is it called? That's trading, man. So you have to be cool with losing. Even if it's a loss, then it's just a loss. It's nothing. You didn't lost your life or something like that. So yeah, guys, stay tuned and wait for the update. Guys, just a small update, yeah. So basically what happened right now, yeah, the price action literally pulled back, yeah, and I just decided to take half of the portion, yeah, because look at this huge candle, man. It's like bullish engulfing, yeah, and plus it was going so aggressive, does not have a wick even on the top. So I decided just to take here, right here, to take half of the position. I can show you right now. If the price action, just in case, is gonna move back up, yeah, here I'm gonna take another half of what's left. So here I had 2.8. We're gonna move to the upside because I'm seeing it's pretty bullish, yeah. If the price action, we're gonna move a little bit higher than that, somewhere around here, I'm gonna close another position, yeah, and then I will leave everything to hit my full stop loss. So we're just cutting the position, taking the risk off the table, because if I'm seeing something is wrong and I don't really like what happens on the charts, yeah, I just gonna take and remove fully, slowly and surely. I'm gonna take the risk off the table so I can lose less. But if the price action was gonna move to my for example TP right away, I just would be love to hold it for the full TP and full amount, you know. So yeah, just have to be cool with everything. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Guys, I would like to make a correction right now because I'm seeing here is kind of too aggressive, so I rather just close this fully, yeah. And I did open the opposite. Yeah. I'm gonna explain the reason why, because I just messed up, guys. I was too busy with my job and I didn't see the bigger picture, yeah. I'm gonna expect right now the price action is just to take those highs, yep. And plus here is like kind of double top, yeah. Here is also 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, is no big deal. And also we do have, I'm gonna still take, if just in case the price action will decide to reverse, yeah, I do gonna start taking the partial loss. The reason why, because let me just show you what I've been seeing here. I forgot about this EMA traders, yeah, because a lot of people, they were gonna take shorts right here, yeah. So I kind of get to the point where I kind of also got shorts out of the EMAs. So I forgot if the people taking shorts, am I gonna take buys? So that's the reason that I stopped right here, yeah. And I changed my bias. So basically I'm going against the traders right now, that's why I changed my bias. So right now I'm gonna go to grab these highs. We will see how everything was gonna end up, but I will keep you guys posted. I know it's kind of confusing on this video, but it is what it is, guys. Sorry about that. I just don't rush because I'm doing my job and also I'm trading, so it's kind of a bit of a headache, but man, it is what it is. We're floating in profit. But for now, let's just keep rolling, rock and roll with this trade, and we will see how everything's gonna go. Stay tuned, guys. I'm glad to say we kind of running a little bit in profit. I can't complain about it. So basically, what happened previously, it was like kind of a rush process. But hey, it is what it is. It's trading. All we are human beings, so you know, everybody makes mistakes, and I do hope we're gonna we're gonna make this turn back on the profit. So yeah, stay tuned. Guys, we did get pulled back and we did get this beautiful bearish engulfing candle. So we will see how everything is gonna end up. For now, we do seeing how the price action kind of pulled back, but they pulled back only because they took this high off. So basically usual, the price action right now could come back right here to take this high, this low, or maybe even this low. And but I'm gonna take partial losses. I do have here my alarms, so if just in case the price action we're gonna get here, I'm gonna take half of the position, and then once the price action gets here, I'm gonna take another half, and we'll leave everything run until my stop loss is hit. That's basically my plan, but we will see. We already kind of took a small loss today, and we keep going. And I do really hope that the price action we're gonna start here reject a little bit, yeah, and turn and move up to our TP. That would be very, very beautiful and awesome. Stay tuned. Guys, it's sad to say, but again we took the L. I did take though the how's it called, the partial losses. So from those two trades, guys, I took a loss of 300 and something, $300 only. So it's not that bad. It's not that bad. Today is just a losing day, and there's nothing what we can do about it, guys. We just have to take the loss how it is and keep going. I'm gonna delete all of that, and I do really hope that you enjoyed this video, guys. Hit the subscribe button, like, because I'm posting here my FX journey. I'm trying to pass my FTMO account, so we will see how it's gonna go, but we will just gonna keep it up. And how I said, I'm posting everything, guys. I'm posting the losses, the wins, ups and downs, and that's how actually trading is. I wish you guys a wonderful trading week, and see you later. See you on my next one. Peace and love. I'm out.